first place. When we begin to shine the light of Christ, when we begin to say, I'm not going to live just for myself, then what is within you, others will begin to see. And I don't know about you, but I want to be a generation that shines the love of God.
Sitting on the throne, the one who lives forever and ever. And they lay their crowns before the Lord and say this: You are worthy, O Lord our God, to receive glory